My. Oh, look at the sun. It's time to go.
What's the hurry? We'd love you to stick around for dinner.
Yeah, we could have whatever's lying around.
Wait, I got one. Make mine a Cub sandwich. What you think? What, Ed? What is it?
Hey, did we order this dinner to go?
No. Why?
'Cause there it goes!
Did we lose him? I think so. Where's Zazu?
Major Domo bird hippity-hopped all the way to the birdie boiler.
Oh, no, not the birdie boiler.
Hey, why don't you pick on somebody your own size?
Like you?
Oops.
That was it? Do it again. Come on. Oh, please. Uncle.
Silence!
Hey, come on, we're gonna shut up right now.
We're really sorry.
If you ever come near my son again,
Oh, this is your son?
Oh, yours?
Did you know that?
No, me? I didn't know. No, did you?
No, of course not.
No.
Ed?